Hello friends, Jai Hind. So, so we are starting a complete training playlist. I know this is like this is like completely like a classroom program that basically will cover completely about CAE. If you are, if you don't know anything about FEM, or if you don't know anything about mechanical, if you don't know anything about anything, so it's not possible that you don't know anything about mechanical, because of course you have to understand. If you are learning CAE, then you are basically a mechanical engineer and an automobile engineer. So yeah, so definitely. But in these coming videos, like in maybe I'll just planning in complete this playlist in 1 month. So we'll cover complete about of CAE. Maybe this all about the pre-processing solvers and post-processing thing. So we'll first cover with the pre-processing thing, whatever the videos, what are the things that we're gonna cover in upcoming videos. So you these there is no need of any prerequisite, because we are covering everything from a very ground level, from very ground zero. So you can say that from negative we are starting it. So you don't need to have worry, you don't have to worry about at all. So just be consistent in watching those videos and do the things what will be suggesting you to do that. So just do those things, so it will be more than enough. So in this video we'll be seeing like what are the topics that we're gonna cover in our videos. So the first, these completely about CAE. Yeah, you need to understand what CAE is, what is the need of CAE as a domain in a complete industrial oriented. So we'll be firstly covering about what CAE is. Then we'll cover what the different stages in CAE. I know there is if you are not aware about like pre-processing, solver and post-processing, don't worry, relax, we'll be explaining all those things. Then we will be explaining like different tools in CAE, because there is not only one tool. So by the way, we are gonna teach you the HyperMesh basic tools, and we also explain you about any other tools like ANSA, if you are aware about of an ANSA. So we'll be explaining all those things even in ANSA if time permits. So softwares, AI and automation upgradations. So even the AI and automations, because it's the era of AI. So how in our field, also in mechanical field, or basically in a CAE field, so how AI is impacting. So we'll look at even in that states, that point. And we'll understand about of OEMs and ODMs basically. So different CAE departments, NVH, body dura. If you are not aware about it, we will be explaining all those things, like what is NVH, what is body dura, what is crash, and what is chassis, etc. and all. So don't worry. So installation of HyperMesh, because we are focusing firstly completely on HyperMesh only. So we'll help you out in installing the HyperMesh also. Then overview of HyperMesh tool, introduction to meshing, different components in models, steel and plastics, 1D meshing, checking duplicates, 2D meshing, 3D meshing in that, and penetrations, rigid connections, materials and properties, types of analysis, components of car. So these are the very basic things that we have kept. With these your base is ready, so that after your analysis, because this is for the pre-processing syllabus, I can say that these are the concepts of pre-processing things. So after completion of this, you can move towards the analysis part. Like this is the experience of 2 years, 2 years, 3 years guy. So 2 years, 3 years guy, like not just me, from the other all my friends who are in the industry, who are working still in the industries. So they are all sharing their experiences, so that you can get better opportunity to understand all those things. So you will understand everything about CAE in and around, like all the fields. And so in after completion of all those things, we'll then move towards the analysis part, because analysis is very important, because we'll move towards the analysis part, understanding about the solvers and all. Then after that, if we got a chance, we'll explain you about of visualization things. So that post processing, I know it's very advanced point, but let's see if any persons wants to explain about advanced processing tools. So we'll also see about the advantage, the post processing process also. So yeah, so we are gonna start, and from next week you'll be getting 2 videos on that and on the syllabus itself. So I'll just put it out this PDF in description. If you want to download, you can download, or no need, basically it's so I'll be covering all those things. So you'll getting 2 videos per week, 2 videos per week. So be attentive, be consistent, so that you can not gonna miss any class. Okay, so relax, just do what we are going to tell you. You'll definitely understand everything. Okay, so yeah, so for this do subscribe and share with your mechanical engineering friends, so that they can enjoy the free practical training, yeah, so that they can get placed in any other good company. Yeah, so see you in next video. Jai Hind.